All right, so let's simplify some more radicals. So this time I want to simplify 5 root 48. So the only difference between this one and the ones we were doing before was now we have a number outside the radical symbol. So it's actually really easy. All we have to do is let's take the same approach as before. The root 48 is not simplified, so let's write 48 as a product of its prime factors. Okay, so that's going to be 2 and 24. And then 24 becomes 6 and 4. That's 2 and 3, and that's 2 and 2. Okay, so again, circle them all because that way we know we got them all. All right, not missing any. Good. Okay, so now we're just going to rewrite it, and we have the 5 times the square root of, and instead of 48, it's just going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so 4 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And got rid of all the 2's, and what's left? A 3. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing we did before where we look for pairs. I have 2 2's here. I cross them out and bring one outside, and that's all that happens. So the 5 is out here, and you're just going to multiply it by the 2 and by anything else that comes out. So it looks like another 2 is going to come out. Okay, and that's it. That's it. It's not that hard. The 5's just out here. So before you could imagine there was a 1 there, but it didn't make a difference because anything times 1 is itself. So now it's just, it gets multiplied by whatever we end up bringing out. It's that simple. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is going to be 20. And then the 3 isn't paired with anything, so it has to hang out underneath the radical symbol by itself. So our answer is simply 20 root 3. Perfect. All right, let's try one more just to make sure we really get it. So we'll call this number 2, and let's have this be 8 root 56. So I want to simplify this. 8 times the square root of 56. So again, write 56 as a product of its prime factors, so we can look for pairs. So that's going to be 2 and 28, and that will be 7 and 4, and 2 and 2. Okay, so I've got a 2, a 7, a 2, and a 2. So that's going to be 8 times the square root of, and I have 1, 2, 3 2's. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 2's, and a 7. Okay, so I'm looking for pairs. So I have 2 2's here. So circle them, cross them out, bring one outside. Again, it's multiplication. And again, that H is already out here, so we just multiply it by 2. It's that simple. Perfect. So then 2 times 8 is 16 times the square root of. The 2 can't be paired with anything else. The 7 can't be paired with anything else. So that's just going to be 2 times 7, which is 14. So it's just going to be 16 root 14. And we're done.